Conversation between two students about the habits of rich and poor people characters. Emily, E., a student interested in understanding the habits that differentiate rich people from poor people. Sam, S., a student who has been reading about financial habits and personal development. E., hey Sam, I've been thinking a lot about what makes some people rich and others not so much. Do you think it's all about how much money they make, or is there more to it? S. It's definitely more than just how much they earn, Emily. A lot of it comes down to their habits, what they do with their
money and time every day. E. Habit. It's like what? S. Well, for starters, rich people usually have the habit of saving and investing their money. They don't just spend everything they earn. Instead, they put a portion of their income into investments that can grow over time, like stocks or retirement funds. E. That makes sense. But what about poor people? Do they not save or invest? S. Many don't, but it's not always by choice. Sometimes it's because they're just trying to get by day to day, so they spend most of what they earn on necessities. But it's also about habits. Poor. Real estate.
People might be more likely to spend money on things that don't build wealth, like expensive gadgets or eating out frequently. E. So it's about thinking long-term versus short-term? S. Exactly. Rich people tend to think long-term. They plan for the future, whether it's saving for retirement, buying assets, or even thinking about how to pass wealth on to the next generation. Poor people might focus more on immediate needs or wants, which can make it hard to save for the future. E. What other habits do rich people have that are different? S. Rich people often prioritize personal development and continuous learning. They read books, attend seminars, and are always looking for ways to improve themselves and their knowledge. This helps them make better decisions and seize opportunities. E. I've heard that rich people are also more disciplined with their time. Is that true? Yes, it is. Time management is a big habit that separates rich from poor people. Rich people often have a habit of planning their day, setting goals, and focusing on tasks that add value. They avoid wasting time on unproductive activities like watching too much TV or browsing social media for
hours. E. What about taking care of health? Does that play a role? S. Definitely. Rich people often prioritize their health because they understand that staying healthy helps them stay productive and enjoy their wealth. They exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough sleep. Poor people.
Might not have the same habits due to lack of resources, knowledge, or time, but health is still a critical factor. E. It sounds like rich people are just more disciplined overall. S. In many ways, yes, discipline is a key habit, but it's also about mindset. Rich people often believe in their ability to control their future and make choices that lead to success. Poor people might feel stuck in their situation, which can make it hard to develop the habits that lead to wealth.
E. So it's not just about working hard, but also working smart. S. Exactly. Rich people focus on working smart, using their time, money, and energy efficiently. They might work hard, but they also make sure that their efforts are leading to growth and not just immediate rewards. E. This is really interesting, Sam. I think I'm going to start paying more attention to my own habits. Maybe I can learn to think and act more like a rich person. S. That's a great idea, Emily. Building good habits now can make a big difference in the future. This conversation illustrates the different habits that often distinguish rich people from poor people, focusing on long-term thinking, financial discipline, continuous learning, and time management. It helps students understand that wealth is not just about income, but about developing habits that support financial growth and personal development.